Hinyogut ki samla puli jangka St. Anthony's College hakapor bekidang puli haka 5th semester jangka mass communication kila shna wat penmi yakawai ka Phlim Lyngkot ka bakila aikirteng mousetrap. Kani ka Phlim Lyngkot ani ka short film kadai shapang ka Jingpyntrei Jubor ki Khynnah Rit haki krem doyong. Kini ki hinyogut ki samla puli ka mass media na St. Anthony's College ki dei ka Anis e Noronha ka Amethyst BM Susngi Tannu Thapa Bakmen Lyngdoh Dipkala Ghale Almeric Tohtih bat Jhansy GD Marak. Ke ka pala peloy kini ki hinyogut ban shnai kani ka Phlim Lyngkot ka long ha ka nongrem baki thep ka competition jong ka national human rights kabla long mencham snem ka snem arjar khat khandai.
Tien ningkong kani ka film ka dei ngidon ka team ha college te ngidon kumba sausan ngot ai ting yashna script namta ka film ban yin pha human rights commission.
Well, our friend Anis, she actually came up with the script and with the script idea and all that, and she came up to us, and the idea was so deeply thought through that I felt like it could work, and with the correct amount of dedication and determination and execution, I felt like it could be possible to have made it, and here we are. So
ti ding la de schnai kani ka film mousetrap ni la de pha human rights commission ti ngi khamyo respond ai
wala kim shimla shaji da kani ka competition hinde kani ka film kala yo bon ki jero na ki bayo I ke ka basngo sarong par ka long bakani ka film kala yo rung sha ka top 11 jong ka Kelvin Cinema Festival of Films kabla long ha shillong how naiwing jong ka sinem araja khat khandai na pedeng ki spatali ki film ki bra thap ha kani ka competition sakawai par ka film festival bala pen I ya kani ka film Kadega Northeast Film Festival, Fragrances from Northeast, Balapulong Deka Symbiosis, Ishania, Cultural and Educational Center, and Northeast Community Organization Pune, Ringkar National Film Archive of India, Kablalong Pune.
Well, so far the first film festival that we were selected for was the Kelvin Cinema Festival of Films in Shillong.
We were very lucky to have gotten this, selection, because to be honest, I don't think any of us were expecting any of that.
Nakahanyo spot lagi film, tang artli ki film ba sa agent na Northeast. Ti ngaso kumdo, ngaso kuman si siya mo ba nor kadi kasi ningkong bangile akum ni ti may shoot ti kapoy hadu ani ti ngiyok mensim kin ba ngila ban le ba shoot next time.
To be selected as the top 10 was just amazing. When we got the news, I think all of us were screaming and just overexcited and all over the place, ecstatic.
Yagani ka film la thaw ka ktin Nepali bar ka jing thaw yagani ka film ha ka ktin Nepali ka de halor ka nongrim baki babon ki patrei ha ka kam ki de na kani ka jaj ben rio. Ka Anis e Noronha ka bra tho e ka khana ka lai tho balai ka wanra e ka khana.
Well, actually, when I was around 14 years old, I met with some rescued rat hole miners who are at the same age as me, and they were put to work in rat hole mines at the age of 6, 7, and their childhoods were stolen from them. And I realized that we live in this world, there's so much duality. I get all the opportunities, but they don't. So this was just like to remind everybody that of these inequalities that exist amongst us. The reason why I decided to shoot the main part of the film in Nepali was because I wanted to base the film exactly on the story that this kid had told me. And this kid himself was actually a Nepali. And I just wanted it to be, that part to be as real as possible, I just want it to be real. That's the reason why.
At first, the script was written in English, but when the cast joined us, the children, I think they were more comfortable in Nepali language. So, to express their feelings or to express, the acting, the feel, the situation of the movie, we thought of translating it to Nepali so that they can be comfortable, and it can come across well. So that's why we translated it to Nepali.
Ti hooi kini ka film kadai ha ka ktin Nepali, but balai ka long balai ngibu da ktin Nepali ru but umdai da ka khasi ka long ba banga ongi phining kong ru kani ka film kadai shapang tawi khna ba shatre be an mo hakini ki pa doyong ti uta udai Nepali ti bangin penlong shisha ka ta ka film ngim kwa ken mo bangin chu kren da ka khasi ning ne da ka phareng tingi phale shisha da ka ktin Nepali ti hadin ka taru khna
baak kilong kikas sakani ka film ru arngot ki dei Nepali te kumta mo ki kamlong sup ki kamlong jat biki dei dang dei Khynnah Rit te ka kam suk ki bikin kren beda ka tin la jong te kum baki ak hakani ka film te kin kam suk ki ru bikin kren beda ka tin la jong dei da ka bikin ngin hikai ki bikin kren da ka tin khasi ma saba na kini ke team members jongiru nya don arngut ki team members bade Nepali hi te maki kan ki penthoi ka script ki translate kum ta ken
ki jing ki ngisem ki buna ki jing bengi sem personal ni ka film wena ki ka de ka porswa kum bengi de ki student ka por ka ha bengi ban le ba assignment ba college ban le shabar ban ne ka ni ka shoot ka kham hi to ta sakwe ka jing bra ka de ka soin beneng don ki por ba ke bengi thmu ki kwa bengi le ka ta soin beneng pra ka long no hakwe ke to ka long kum ki ta ru ngi ban pe yem ka don ka ta ki jing ki don and skoi ka jing pra ka di pra kum pite ba ni ka film ki don ki khulung ta ban pen shong ki bangin pen batai ki phang ka ni ga film long pite bi khulung ki mubju ne ban shong chaka ta kum ki ta ki jing ki don
We had problems, of course, a lot of problems, and we also faced problems even in college. And after that, it was to catch up and to go back to normal. After all that, again, was another challenge. And there were a lot of things that happened even in college also. So, yeah. But then overall, I feel like it was worth it, and I will have only good memories from it. I will only hold on to good memories from it.
te kum ba long himuangi baro bangi dang sedang kalong kasin bening kong ngi bangi sna mungkin ka film bangin penmi perthai bangin sen ki festival ai ho ngi sna ki film ki ha college tang ba kilong tang kum ki assignment te jaj ba ka de sin bening kong ngi ban pha kum ni shabar te ki bun pha ki jing sin bening kong te ki tiar ki taru ngim pat ya biang bha baro ngim pat ya biang ki tiar ki tar ai te hasin ba ka baar kalong ba ni pha ki Khynnah te kata ru ka de kawai na ki jing shibun hi Khynnah Rit ki long kimpat experience ki Khynnah ki ba ki baro ki Khynnah ki ba ka de film jungi kimpat ju ak he ru ki de tang ki Khynnah na ki diskona ki de ki Khynnah bala amlin ban ak ha ki concert kum to te kalong ya ki ru kalong sin baning kong bakin akum ha ka ni ka film jungi kata ru kalong kawai ka jing te sa kawai ka jing pat kalong ba ngile ka ni ka film kam de kum ka assignment kalong hadin kalong next to the assignments ngihap ya penbiang por ke ngihap ya late college ru ngihap pendep assignments sa college ru hadin ngihap perkat phangani ka film ru te ngihap kidon kisni le bangi hap ya late por bangi le shoot ru sora te kidon kisni bangi hap pep class ngihap pep college mo baro shisni ngihap miss hadin pat the next day pat ngihap ban penbiang kumta te kataru kalong kawi gajing ngi te sakawai pat kumbangi ong hi baro ka de zero budget film ngim don pisa kham don bo sponsor hiangi te ka de zero budget film tingi hap shi adjust be ken ka bam ke hap ya song mena yeng ya kirung ya ki kasrung hap pen biang mangi te kataru ko we ka jing
wala kini ki nyomor ki akandu shibun ki jing habashnai ka ni ka Phlim Lyngkot hindre ki pen pau par ki jing sngo hun habakira la ban pendep ya ka bar ka bla yo ru ya bun ki jero.
Well, we had a lot of enjoyable moments where there were sparks flying around everywhere when we finally got the screenplay done, when we found locations, when we found actors, when our actors understood what we wanted them to do, when we were editing it and the film was finally done, that satisfaction, the joy, those were some really fun moments.
Kajing sutanat te kadon hi mo bangi shoot ani ka film te ni para kelas te kum kimedan para kelas yang ti ya ilet kum shi kelas ti la ya bun got bele shoot ru ti ngali poi keleng li wat location long kade ka ba kan banya shoot te ban li wat ban prepare ki ban penbiang ki tuma ba khadu te da perkhat menta long kala sutanat ken ya sutanat barokhat idan sangki jingken mau sudah mo.
To be honest, this journey and to the film festival that we had reached, it made especially me feel like I can do something, and it felt like, obviously it wasn't like so much of like a push, but then I felt I felt hopeful for at least for my future, and it's a big thing. It's a big thing for people like us, you know, like especially students, and like we're still very young, and to have gotten this opportunity and like to have been selected in like two film festivals is a lot for us, and I'm very grateful for that.
Yakani ka short film on sa premiere haka khat artarik unai tung araja arpo haka YouTube channel jang RiKhasi channel haka porsan baje janmen.